This is our Innovation Lab. I'm on the bus now. It started with the dream a couple of years ago. Our middle school science specialist, Stephanie Hornick, really wanted to do a bus. So we got together with our student experience department and our strategic planning department. We got a bus. This has several different innovative activities for the student. It's all hands-on, it's all high interest, and the kids really learn a lot.
My favorite part was doing the robots and moving them around because I'd never done that before and it was really fun.
I think it really brings to life some of these more abstract concepts like kinetic energy, which is what I've been doing with the kids today. We've been playing with Spirobot. So they've been learning how to control that kinetic energy through hands-on learning.
On the bus, we have 2 that are devoted to life sciences. In addition, we have 2 that are devoted to heat transfer. One examines the state change, and the other is to examine heat transfer. So a lot of students don't realize that heat transfers from the warmest to the coldest until it balances out.
It was pretty fun. I try my best to finish as much as I can. It helps you understand how science can be fun sometimes, and you can try new things.
And you click drive.
So the purpose is to get kids interested in science and see how it really works. A lot of times we talk about things and we kind of understand, but once we see them and we do them, we really can make those connections and understand the true science behind the activities.
Oh, they're loving it. They're having so much fun. There's a little bit of competition in some of it. There's more creativity than just your standard classroom-based lesson. There's a little bit extra to get them excited about it.